Greetings everyone. Today I Adya from 2A along with my friends Sara, Kavya, Divisha, Riyansh and Shravya welcome you all to our special assembly on Gandhi Jayanti. In this time of pandemic, we as Vachinians will leave no stone unturned to show our love and respect to our beloved Bapu.
Yes, Adya, you are absolutely correct. We are here to celebrate 150th birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, famously known as Bapu and Gandhi Ji.
Right, Sara, he is also known as the father of our nation. And on his birthday, let us remember his famous words. He said, "You can chain me, you can torture this body, but you will never imprison my mind." And here we have Mehul from Fight C, who will present this through mono acting. Let us sit back and enjoy his performance.
मैं हिंसा का विरोध करता हूँ क्योंकि उससे आया हुआ समाधान बहुत कम वक्त के लिए होता है और उससे पैदा हुई नफरत हमेशा के लिए। दुर्बल लोग कभी क्षमा नहीं कर सकते। क्षमा करना तो बलवानों का गुण है। अपने आप को खोजने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है अपने आप को दूसरों की सेवा में खो देना। अपने आप में दृढ़ विश्वास रखने वाला एक सूक्ष्म शरीर इतिहास के रुख को बदल सकता है। मैं मरने को तैयार हूँ, पर ऐसी कोई वजह नहीं है जिसके लिए मैं मारने को तैयार हूँ। व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निर्मित प्राणी है। जो वो सोचता है वही बन जाता है। खुशी तब मिलेगी जो आप सोचते हो, जो आप कहते हो और जो आप करते हो वो एक है। आप मानवता में विश्वास मत खोइए। मानवता तो सागर की तरह है। अगर सागर की कुछ बूंदें गंदी है तो सागर गंदा नहीं हो जाता।
That was wonderful. I just could not take my eyes off his performance. Friends, Bapu was very much fond of music, and one of his favorite bhajan was Vaishnav Janato. It was written in 15th century in Gujarati language. The song speaks about life, idols, and mentality of a follower of Vaishnavism. Let us welcome a group performance by the students of classes 4th and 5th. They are going to sing this melodious bhajan.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान न आणे रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे।
असत्य न बोले पर धन नव जाले हाथ रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीं जे पीड़ पड़ाई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीं जे पीड़ पड़ाई जाने रे। मोह माया व्यापे नहीं जीने दृढ़ वैराग्य जिन्ना मन मारे। राम नाम शु ताली रे लागी सकल तीर्थ तिन्ना तन मारे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पढ़ लो भीने कपट रहित छे काम क्रोध निवारा रे। बन लो भीने कपट रहित छे काम क्रोध निवारा रे। बन लो भीने कपट रहित छे काम क्रोध निवारा रे। धन से दर्शन करता कुल को तारा रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीं जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीं जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीं जे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीं जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे।
Wow, that's so beautiful. You know what would be even more magical, Divisha? To hear the same song on some instruments. I can't wait to hear this bhajan again. And so friends, here we have Navya Bhatia from 5AM presenting Vishnava Janto, an instrumental presentation. the recitation, she will talk about Gandhiji's life and his contributions in the freedom of India. Let's hear a friend recite a beautiful poem.
2 अक्टूबर प्यारा दिन, बापू जन्मे थे इस दिन। 1869 वर्ष प्यारा, सबसे न्यारा दिन। सत्य मार्ग पर चलते थे, नहीं किसी से डरते थे। हक की खातिर दृढ़ होकर अनशन भी वो करते थे। रुई से सूत बनाते, चरखा नित्य चलाते थे। अपनाओ उत्पाद स्वदेशी, सबको यही सिखलाते थे। शांति अहिंसा को अपनाया, सत्य प्रेम जग में फैलाया। हिंसा से जो दूर रहे, कायर नहीं ये समझाया। 2 अक्टूबर प्यारा दिन, बापू जन्मे थे इस दिन। वैष्णव जनते तेने कही, गाकर पीड़ा भोगी। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरा नाम, भजकर हुआ योगी। कुछ कहते हैं भारत की आत्मा, कुछ कहते हैं संत। बापू से बने महात्मा, सागरमती का संत। सत्य अहिंसा की मूरत, वो चरखा खादी वाला। आजादी के रंग में जिसने जग को ही रंग डाला। 2 अक्टूबर प्यारा दिन, बापू जन्मे थे इस दिन। धन्यवाद।
Friends, we all know that Gandhiji was a freedom fighter and that we won the freedom fight on his own rules. He was a hardcore follower of non-violence and was determined to push the Britishers out of India, following his policy of non-violence only. But here is Arif Arora from 5 with some more facts and information about Gandhiji. Let us all listen to him and learn more about our beloved Bapuji.
As you all know, today we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. So I want to speak a few lines about Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi has been given the title of Father of our Nation as he took up the path of non-violence to fulfill his goal. An international organization like United Nations General Assembly has marked his birth anniversary as the International Day of Non-Violence, which is October 2nd. Gandhiji's life has been inspiration to many because of the life he led. It is truly incredible how a barrister who was so nervous to make a speech in London court went on to lead the Indian national movement. Before learning about Gandhi Jayanti, it is important to learn about the man himself. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He took birth in the state of Gujarat in the town named Porbandar. His relentlessness and hard work to achieve Swaraj are truly commendable. Not only that, but Gandhiji also worked to get rid of other social evils to make India an inclusive country. He worked tirelessly to remove the system of untouchability which was very prevalent back then. Moreover, he also empowered women and worked to enhance the economic condition of Indian farmers in addition to much more. He played a major role in 3 major movements. They were Non-Cooperation Movement, Quit India Movement and Dandi March. In other words, he is one of the most important figures to help India get freedom from British rule. The whole country of India joyfully celebrates Gandhi Jayanti. It is an important day for every Indian as Gandhi Jayanti gave us one of the greatest human beings to ever walk this earth. The cremation place
of Mahatma Gandhi Rajghat is decorated with garlands and flowers on this day. People from all over the world pay homage to this great leader on this day. It would be fair to say that Gandhiji was indeed the greatest person to support democracy. He did not let anything deter his fight for independence and eradication of social issues. His principles of truth and non-violence are not just limited to India. In fact, the whole world follow him and his teachings. Although he was assassinated, it only killed his body because his ideas live on in the hearts of people. Thank you.
Wow, Riyansh! I feel I learned so much about Gandhiji today. Now I know what kind of person he was and what all his contributions were in making India a free and a democratic country.
Yes, Ada, that was very informative. Now to end this beautiful assembly, we have a lovely dance performance by Arush and Manvi from 5A, Shanbhavi and Rashi from 5B, and Achintya, Shuk and Bhavya from 5C. So let's enjoy their performance.
माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे आजा रे अब आजा रे भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे आजा रे राह दिखा दे ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गए वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम है बना रे नफरत की आंधी बहती रे वहशी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे आजा रे बापू आजा रे
assembly. I hope you all enjoyed it. Our freedom fighters have fought tough battles to make our country a free country. It is our responsibility to take care of it now.
You absolutely correct, Riyansh. We must love and respect our country. I proudly say that. I'm proud to be an Indian. We all promise we will make our country proud too. I request you all to please rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Friends, this brings us to the end of our special assembly. I would like to end it with Gandhiji's words. He said, "Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will." We wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti.